just opened up their very first look at video generation. And while the feature isn't available publicly yet, they've launched what they're calling a video rating party to help train the model. And that's where these clips come from. To be clear, none of these videos were created by me. They're all generated by internal testers or selected users. I can't see the prompts used for any of them, so it's impossible to know whether each result is actually what the creator intended. Some might look amazing, some might look broken. But without context, it's hard to tell if that's success or failure. But that's exactly the point of this phase. Midjourney has intentionally included low quality and strange outputs, because this isn't about showing off perfection yet. It's about feeding the system examples of what's good, what's bad, and everything in between, to help the algorithm learn user preferences and avoid things like spinning heads, animation glitches, and visual breakdowns in the final release. At the time of this recording, Midjourney is running Rating Party Round 2, featuring a whole new batch of test videos. According to them, these are even more broken than the first set, but that's by design. They're giving the model more freedom to fail so it can better learn a wide range of styles, beauty, and preferences. So yes, some of these might be cursed, some might be stunning. Either way, it's all helping Midjourney build a smarter, more creative video model. From what we know so far, here are the basics. This version is image to video only. There's no text to video yet. It supports V7, V6, V5, V4, and Niji images as input. It's launching with medium quality as a trade-off between output and accessibility. There's no relaxed mode yet, and it won't include max resolution or long video length at launch. A separate Niji-focused video model is expected shortly after the main launch, possibly with text-to-video and better animation for anime-style art. Also, take a look at the variety of aspect ratios in these clips. This isn't just for 16:9 or 1:1 or 3:2, etc. You'll see everything from ultra-wide cinematic to tall, vertical, square, and more. It's clear that Midjourney's video model isn't limited to the standard formats like 16:9, 3:2, 4:3, or even 9:16. There's a huge range here, which already puts it ahead of a lot of the competitors when it comes to creative flexibility. Everything you're seeing here is part of their first rating round. The goal is to define what not to do. The second round is supposed to focus more on higher quality content and refinement. Midjourney themselves describe this as embarrassing but necessary. And honestly, it's a smart approach. And as with any video model, you can expect the far range of "this is awesome" to "yeah, it's basically what I expected" to "what the heck just happened." But that's obviously predictable in this early alpha stage. And for now, this all seems to be a private alpha test, likely limited to yearly or mega plan users when it eventually rolls out, depending on how server capacity shakes out. They're already negotiating multiple server providers just to keep up, and they've said this model might require double the current infrastructure. Despite all that, the bugs, the limitations, the rough edges, Midjourney is calling this one of their biggest and most magical updates in a long time. And honestly, even in this early state, it's easy to see the potential, especially for people working on music videos, motion art, or just trying to animate their existing creations. Well, that's it for the talking part. The rest of this video is all demo footage pulled straight from the rating site. None of it has been edited or cleaned up. You'll see good, bad, beautiful, weird, and everything in between. Enjoy! But while you're enjoying the rest of the video, whether it's breathtaking animation or an eldritch abomination someone accidentally summoned, go ahead and show the algorithm that you have taste. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment with your favorite cursed or cinematic moment. Ring the bell so you don't miss the day Midjourney accidentally invents sentient jellyfish. It's coming, and you know it. And hey, share this video with someone who thinks the moon blinks back. As always, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.